How to add a buy now button to your Shopify store product page. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add a buy button to your Shopify store product page. So what you have to do is just scroll down and search for this settings option, and once you land over here, just scroll down until you see the apps and sales channels, and once you click this, click Shopify App Store, and once you click Shopify App Store, it's going to take you to another interface where you have to wait for a second for it to load. And once it's loaded, just go to this search apps, guides and more, and over here just write buy button, and once you write buy button, press enter, and it's going to pop up many apps for you. Just search for a free one out of all these. For example, I have this one already, and once you go back over here, you can see here's this buy button over here. I'm going to click this buy button, and once you click it, just click open sales channel or view in Shopify App Store, or write anything. Just click open sales and sales channel and create a buy button. And here you can see that product buy button or collection buy button. Click product buy button, click the product you want to choose it for, click select, and then just wait for it to load this interface. Now you have to click add to product now, or click open product details, direct to checkout. That's the buy now button. Now first it was a add product to cart, but now it's direct buy now. So here you can choose the button style if you want to. Here you can see the button text if you want to. You can choose the font for it, for example this one, and then just go back over here by clicking this option. Here you can choose a layout for it, and here you can choose the layout style, and just click next over here. Then once you click next, just keep customizing or copy the code, and you can just copy the code and paste it into the HTML editor of the web page where you want to display it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can add a buy now button to your product page of Shopify. So I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.